Welcome to our channel. Today we have a fascinating story to share with you. One that delves deep into the power of the mind and how our thoughts shape our reality. This story will not only captivate you but also provide valuable insights into creating a happier, more fulfilling life. Let's dive in. Once upon a time, a man went to Zen master seeking wisdom.
O wise one, I have come to you seeking a solution to the many problems in my life. It seems that whenever I find a solution to one problem, another one arises. Please help me understand the nature of problems and their answers in my life.
Listen carefully to this story.
Once upon a time, a man was walking on a mountain. During his walk, he accidentally entered paradise. In paradise, there was a wish-fulfilling tree called Kalpa Vriksha. Kalpa Vriksha is a tree that grants any wish made while sitting beneath it. The man, tired from his long walk, decided to rest under the tree. He soon fell asleep.
I wish I could have some delicious food.
Instantly, delicious food appeared. The man, too hungry to question where the food came from, started eating right away. The food was so tasty that he finished it quickly.
How nice it would be to have some delicious drinks.
Immediately, precious wine and tasty drinks appeared. As he enjoyed the cool shade of the Kalpavriksha tree and the gentle breeze of paradise, he wondered,
What is happening? Why are all my wishes coming true? There must be a ghost here playing tricks on me.
As soon as he imagined the ghost, it appeared. The ghost was terrifying. The man, filled with fear, thought,
Now the ghost will surely kill me.
and as he thought this, the ghost killed him instantly.
My dear, this story represents your life. Kalpa Vriksha is your own mind. Whatever you think eventually comes true. Sometimes the time gap is so long that you forget you wished for it. This gap can be years or even lifetimes. Therefore, be mindful of your desires and thoughts, because they shape your life.
If we look at our lives, we will see that Kalpavriksha is our mind. Your thoughts create your health, your heaven, your misery, and your bliss. Your thoughts are responsible for the negatives and positives in your life. If you think badly, you will be bad. If you think you are good, you will be good. If you consider yourself worthy, then you are worthy. If you consider yourself unworthy, you will be unworthy. If you believe your future is bright, then it will be bright. If you believe your future is dark, then it will be dark. You can achieve whatever you want with your mind. You are a magician, creating a magical world around yourself, and then you get caught in your own web. No one is torturing you except yourself. Your whole life is your own work, your own creation. Thank you for watching. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Be mindful of what you think and create the life you desire. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories and valuable wisdom. See you in the next video.